Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how I make my roasted chicken with vegetables. You can do it easily together with the chicken and vegetable at the same time. Preheat the oven to 220 degrees Celsius. The chicken I already prepared. Dry the chicken very well and I remove the wings. Season and rub chicken with salt and pepper and mix herb inside and out. Inside chicken cavity, insert with half onion and lemon. Trash the legs with aluminum foil or if you have a kitchen string. For the vegetable, I already prepared Brussels sprout and the carrot and potato and pumpkin I already peeled and cut it in the same size. Add olive oil, salt, and pepper. And now, put the chicken on the top of the vegetable. And roast it for 1 hour and 40 minutes until the chicken is cooked through and the juicer run clear. It's dependent on how big is your chicken.